Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Take your time to prepare your space. Adjust your body so you feel completely supported. A pillow under the knees, a folded blanket beneath the head, something soft covering the body. Lie back and close your eyes. Let the arms rest loosely at your sides, palms upward or inward. The legs fall open, relaxed and released. Feel the ground beneath you. It rises up to hold you. You are completely supported. Let the weight of the body sink down into that support. There is nothing to hold up, nothing to do. You are safe. You are held. Bring awareness to the simple act of breathing. Nothing to change, nothing to control. Simply notice. Feel the breath at the nostrils, cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Stay here for a few cycles, resting in its simplicity. Notice the chest, a gentle rise with each inhale, a soft release with each exhale. Steady, familiar, constant. Now sense the belly. Inhaling, the abdomen expands outward. Exhaling, it softens back down, as if the belly itself is breathing. Allow this awareness to spread through the whole body, the breath moving like a gentle wave, rising, falling, effortless. Now begin to shape the breath softly. Inhale through the nose to a count of 4. Exhale through the nose for a count of 6. Each inhale gathers steadiness, strength, light. Each exhale releases tension, heaviness, pain. Let the mind rest on this rhythm. Quiet, calming, steady. With each cycle, the nervous system settles. The body softens. The mind grows still. And when the body is ready, let the breath return to its natural flow. Rest in the knowing the body breathes itself. Now, in this quiet space, bring awareness to the heart of why you're here. Not the reasons, but the whisper beneath, the longing for ease, for healing, for wholeness. In Yoga Nidra, we call this a sankalpa, a seed of intention planted in the fertile soil of rest. Not a wish for the future, but a truth spoken in the present. You might choose, my body knows how to heal. My body is free of pain. I trust my body to restore itself. Or let another phrase arise, something personal and true. Once it is clear, repeat it silently 3 times. Let each repetition sink in a little deeper, as though planting it in the rich soil of your being. Trust that this seed will take root, nourished by your practice. Bring awareness down into the feet, both feet resting against the ground. Notice the texture of this contact. Heels pressing, arches softening, toes releasing. Sense the weight of the bones, the quiet hum of the muscles, the warmth of the skin. Let the feet grow heavy, deeply rooted, as if the earth itself is drawing them down. Awareness moves into the ankles, the calves, the shins. Feel the shape of each bone, the soft wrapping of muscle, the skin tingling faintly with awareness. A slow heaviness spreads, as if these lower legs are being held, cradled, soothed. The knees broad, steady, open. Notice the space inside the joints, the warmth radiating there, the gentle pulse of circulation, a sense of nourishment moving through. The thighs, dense and strong, resting into gravity. Feel the depth of their weight, the slow unwinding of muscle, the quiet relief as they surrender effort. Both legs together, from hips to toes, grounded, heavy, alive, steady as stone, yet humming with subtle life. Awareness rises into the pelvis, the hips wide and steady. Notice the breath moving into this space, the weight of the body resting here. the bowl of the pelvis like a vessel of still water, cool, calm, holding you. Awareness in the belly, the gentle rise and fall, the soft stretch of skin, the warm pressure of organs shifting with breath, the belly expanding, softening, releasing into natural rhythm. Now the back, the lower back widening, dissolving into the ground. The middle back gently moving with breath. Ribs opening, then folding back. The upper back, the shoulder blades melting outward, like wings folding down, no longer needing to hold. Awareness flows into the chest. Feel the fullness of breath here, the stretching of ribs, the subtle movement of the heart beneath. Each beat a ripple, sending quiet strength through the whole body. Now the shoulders, dense, heavy, dissolving into rest. Awareness down the arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, into the palms. The hands resting open, fingers soft, tingling lightly, as if able to drink in the energy around them. Bring awareness to the throat, open, cool, free. The jaw unclenched, the tongue heavy, lips soft, cheeks slackening. The eyes resting back, lids heavy. The forehead smoothing, wide and spacious. The crown of the head light, receptive, as though an invisible stream of quiet energy drifts inward. Now rest in the body as a whole, from crown to soles, the body bathed in awareness, bones heavy, breath moving, energy circulating, the whole being alive with healing, deeply at rest. Sense warmth spreading through the body, golden heat like sunlight resting on the skin. It seeps inward, muscles softening, joints loosening, the whole body glowing, comfort radiating outward. Now sense coolness, a refreshing draft like evening air across the skin. Coolness slipping into the muscles, brushing across the bones. calming every surface it touches. The body soothed, quiet, steady. Allow warmth and coolness to mingle, sun and shade flowing together within you. Sense heaviness, the weight of bones pressing downward, muscles slackening, flesh settling deeply into the earth, every joint sinking, every fiber loosening, as though gravity itself is cradling you close. Now sense lightness, edges softening, form dissolving, as if the body were buoyant in warm water, weightless, spacious, lifted from within, the body almost translucent as though made of air. Rest in the meeting of heaviness and lightness, both rooted and floating at once. Sense expansion, awareness stretching outward beyond the skin. With each inhale, a subtle widening, ribs opening, energy extending, space unfolding. Feel yourself as vast as the room, even touching the horizon beyond. Now, sense gathering, awareness condensing inward, drawing back to center. Energy collecting in the belly, pooling in the heart, gathering into a single glowing seed. Can you feel expansion and gathering dancing together? Vast, yet centered, limitless and whole. Sense stillness, the body perfectly quiet, unmoving, solid as a mountain resting in silence. Now sense flow, the gentle rhythm of the chest rising and falling, the subtle current of blood through the veins, the quiet hum of energy alive in every cell. Sense stillness and flow weaving together, a mountain touched by the river of life. Sense ease, the softness of open spaces in the body, a pocket of comfort, the sweetness of release. Now sense tension, a place that grips, contracts, holds tight. Notice its density, its texture, its aliveness. Can you feel ease and tension side by side, both held with equal tenderness, both part of you, Sense safety, the floor firm beneath you, the breath steady, the quiet of the space enclosing you in protection. Now sense openness, the rawness of being alive, the vulnerability of feeling deeply, the willingness to be touched by experience. Feel safety and openness coexisting, strength and tenderness meeting within you. Sense silence, the stillness beneath everything, the vast quiet that holds all moments. Now sense sound, near or far, faint or strong, each vibration arising, shaping the air, then dissolving back into silence. Can you feel silence and sound interwoven? The backdrop of stillness and the movement of life. Rest here in sensation. Everything belongs. Balance restoring itself naturally. Imagine yourself lying in a wide open field beneath a vast night sky. The ground beneath you steady, cool, supportive. The air crisp and clear. Above, countless stars shimmer like scattered jewels. From the crown of your head, a soft current of light begins to flow. Silver, fluid, gentle as moonlight. It drifts across the face, cooling the brow, softening the eyes. It pours down the throat, easing the jaw and the neck. It spreads into the chest, bathing the heart in radiance. The current flows through the arms and hands, fingertips glowing softly. It streams through the belly, calming every organ, balancing every rhythm. It pours into the hips, legs, and feet, down to the soles. Everywhere it touches, it soothes. Everywhere it lingers, it restores. The whole body bathed in a quiet glow. With each inhale, the light gathers. With each exhale, it washes through, carrying away what is no longer needed. Joints loosen. Pain dissolves. Muscles lengthen. Tension melts. Organs rest. Every cell alive with renewal. From the soles of your feet, roots extend into the earth, dark, strong, reaching deeply. They draw minerals, stability, strength from the soil. Above, starlight cascades down endlessly. Below, the earth feeds and steadies you. You are nourished from both directions. Sky pouring into you, earth rising to hold you, balanced between above and below. Rest in this knowing. Your body is wise. It remembers how to heal. It knows how to restore itself. You only need to trust. Now return to your sankalpa, the seed of intention planted at the beginning. Let it rise again, natural and effortless. Repeat it silently 3 times. Feel it echo in your breath, in your heartbeat, in every cell. Trust that it is already taking root, growing quietly in this space of rest. There is nothing more to do, nothing more to practice. Simply be. The body breathes itself. The earth holds you. Awareness rests in quiet. If sleep comes, let it come. If wakefulness remains, let it be soft and easy. Healing continues whether you notice it or not. Balance restores itself with every breath. Rest now. Surrender to stillness. Allow yourself to drift into deep, nourishing rest.